of us watch our entertainment on YouTube or on Facebook, on various kinds of entertainment resources that we have. So we started thinking about cinema. What can we do about it? How can we participate in this profound change that is going on? And that's how Som felt that we should be actively participating in all kinds of cultural innovation and cultural experimentation that's happening and that's possible to happen in the coming years. And that's how the idea of Recycle Wala Labs evolved. Again, we've been very fortunate to have an incredibly talented group of young people working with us. You'll see some of them here today. Some of them are making feature films, some of them are making web series, TV shows, all kinds of things that we are producing and hoping to produce in the next 2 years. We probably even have some potential investors here who are looking at what we're doing. And so I'll just quickly introduce that project to you. That it's a film that's going to actively participate in various movements around the community. And 26th January is when she's doing something really important. So if some of you can spare some time and look into what's happening on the newborns and on the rights of acid attack survivors, on the rights of an acid attack victim who passed away, Preeti Rathi. Please get in touch with Megha and speak to her about that. Then we have Rohit Pandey, which is the new project on board called Tara Mandal. Tara Mandal is the film we have this year at the NFDC Film Bazaar and the other upcoming film markets around the world. What Ship of Theseus did was validate something that we always suspected is true. It reaffirmed something that we knew must be true. What we knew was the fact that there is a huge audience out there in India, not just outside. People for many years kept on thinking that a film like Ship of Theseus can do well only in film festivals elsewhere in the world, can only be on the Critics Circle list of top 15 films of all time, but not do well at box office. But that changed this year.
कमर्शियल सिनेमा में भी हम विश्वास रखते हैं, पर कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि एक ऐसा सिनेमा बनना चाहिए जो लोगों को एंटरटेन भी करे और कहीं ना कहीं सिनेमा को थोड़ा सा आगे भी बढ़ाए. तो हम वो सिनेमा बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो लोगों के साथ एक एंटरटेनमेंट का रिश्ता भी कायम कर पाए और उसमें और भी बहुत सारी बातें हैं. 1920 में सेट है, वहाँ से लेकर 1950 तक हम इंडिया को देखते हैं और थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री के साथ भी ताल्लुक़ रखती है तुम्बाड़. तो ये महाराष्ट्र में शूट हुई है और यहीं की फिल्म है, तो ये पीरियड फिल्म है.
तो संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र जो एरा उसमें आपने दिखाया है?
हाँ, जो आज़ादी से पहले का महाराष्ट्र था, एक पूरा नया अलग वर्ल्ड हमने क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की है, जो शायद आप इस फिल्म में देख पाएंगे कि एक आपको 1920 में लेकर जाती है कहीं ना कहीं ये फिल्म. तो वो हमने प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन के थ्रू बनाने की कोशिश की है.
Spend 2.5 hours with a film that just blows our minds away. That was the only one single point that I had for myself.
बहुत ही आसान है क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत ही काबिल टीम है जो कि हम सब प्रोडक्शन देखती है. तो मुझे तो यही करना था कि प्लेटफॉर्म सेट करना था. अभी मितेश है, रुचि है, तो ये लोग बहुत आसानी से प्रोड्यूस कर पाते हैं फिल्मों को.
Everyone works together as a community, as a family, as a group of friends working together. Everyone works on each other's projects, and there are initiatives. And the moment somebody takes an initiative, that person becomes the boss of that particular project. That we need to look at ourselves more and more like a Wikipedia or, as I said, like a Wikipedia or a Google than just a film studio. We need to participate actively in the community, and we need the community's active support for us to sustain. मुझे सोहम को, मेघा को, जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे, आदेश, मितेश, अभिजीत, संदीप, इनको रोज ये होता है कि रोज हमारे पास एक आइडिया आती है जिसको लेके हमें लगता है कि यार ये तो बहुत ही कमाल फिल्म है और हम लोग काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं.